Open your legs and place your hands behind your head. As you side bend, the spine lengthens while the lats, obliques, and deep spinal muscles stretch, helping release built-up tension through the entire spinal chain. If you place one leg up on the wall while keeping the other extended on the floor, the hamstrings, calves, and connective tissues along the back of the raised leg begin to lengthen, while the pelvis stays stable and the spine remains supported. Place your hands shoulder-width behind your hips. Press your feet firmly into the wall and push your body off the floor. As you straighten your legs and fold forward, your triceps and shoulders support your weight, while your abs, hip flexors, and quads pull the legs in and keep the hips lifted. Control the return and repeat for a serious core. If you can't reach your legs in this position, try this. Bend your knees, lock your arms under them, and slowly roll backward with your glutes while keeping your chest close to your legs. This helps stretch the hamstrings, lower back, and calves, while the spine rounds into deeper flexion to improve mobility and make the fold easier over. Push one leg out to the side and lift your torso. Slide your left arm underneath, grab the knee, and place your right hand behind your head. Now rotate slowly and stay controlled. This opens the hips, releases tightness through the lower back, and improves spinal mobility while reducing pressure around the nerves. Push-ups are one of the best body weight exercises, but if your shoulders hurt while doing them, your form is probably off. First, fix your head. Keep it in one straight line with your spine. As you lower down, don't let your shoulders roll forward or shrug toward your ears. Keep your elbows slightly tucked, not flared out. Brace your core, squeeze your glutes, and keep your body straight. If you place your hands behind your head and make slow circles with your elbows, the thoracic spine moves through flexion and extension, while the scapula glide across the rib cage. This helps mobilize the thoracic segments, reduce stiffness through the mid-back, and release tension around the muscles between the shoulder blades. Place one leg over the other, then rotate your lower body to the side. This opens the hips and helps release pressure from the deep lower spine and surrounding muscles. But now, rotate your upper back in the opposite direction and gently push your torso up. That adds a deeper twist through the mid-back, helping the spine move better while reducing pressure around the nerves and improving blood flow through the area. This workout does more than you might think. Because your feet are elevated, more tension shifts into your upper chest, shoulders, and triceps. At the same time, your core, glutes, and legs stay tight, stabilizing your entire body. If you put your knees close to the wall, drive your hips forward until they touch it and grab your ankles. As you reach back, the psoas, quads, and hip flexors lengthen. Glutes activate to stabilize the pelvis, allowing lumbar spine to extend in control while the chest muscles open.